Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your default notebook in Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your name displayed there. Go ahead and click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your account configuration options where you can customize various aspects of how Evernote works for you. In the settings window that opens, look for the notebook option and click on it. This section controls all the settings related to how your notebooks function within Evernote, including which one serves as your default location for new notes. Setting a default notebook is particularly useful because it determines where all your quick notes, web clippings, and emails forwarded to Evernote will automatically be saved, saving you time from having to manually organize them later. Now, on the right side of the screen, you'll see an option labeled Default Notebook. Next to it, there's a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal a list of all your existing notebooks. Browse through the list and select the notebook you want to use as your default. This could be your work notebook, a personal journal, or any other notebook you frequently use. Choosing the right default notebook streamlines your workflow significantly, especially if you capture a lot of information on the go. Once you've made your selection, you can simply close the settings window. There's no need to look for a save button because Evernote automatically saves your changes as soon as you make them. Your new default notebook is now active, and all future notes will be directed there automatically unless you specify otherwise. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default notebook in Evernote, making your note-taking process more efficient and organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.